Hello and welcome back to another video. It's Sonam here, and today I'm going to be showing you some recipes, quick and healthy, easy, time efficient recipes that I eat all the time when I can't be bothered standing in the kitchen cooking for long. So first of all, we've got some oats. Here I've got rolled oats, flaked almonds, some chocolate orange, and protein powder and soy milk. So add the oats to the bowl, added in some protein powder, mashed banana, half a cup of hot water to save the cooking time, cinnamon, and I popped it into the oven for a minute. And then I used this wooden utensil to crack open this Terry's chocolate orange. Very efficient and very fun. Will you just look at that separated chocolate? And then we've got some soya milk. I used 1/4 of a cup, popped it on top and used a spoon just to kind of separate and mix it in a little. Then sliced up some banana. We got some flaked almonds, layered that chocolate on top and sprinkled some desiccated coconut. Now this was absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10 recommend if you're trying to change things up with your general typical oatmeal bowl. And here's a little clip of me enjoying it. And then we've got your fruit bowl. Now here we've got protein from the Greek yogurt, we've got fiber and vitamins from the fruits, granola for the crunch and the healthy fats, and a generous amount of honey. Next up, I'm making stuffed turkey minced peppers. Now I added the mince to the pan, started cooking it up, added turmeric, spicy chilies, spicy flakes, some garlic up in there. We got some salt, we got some pepper, we got some parsley, we got some oregano. You can add whatever spices that you want. I just cooked that up in a pan and then I started to prepare the peppers. I sliced up the top of the peppers and then I just took out the middle part, which by the way you can use for a stir fry, so there's no need to waste any food. And then I put the mixture inside of the peppers and it's ready for the air fryer. We've got coriander and some mature cheddar cheese, which I chopped up. And then I drizzled some olive oil on top of the peppers and used a brush to kind of distribute it everywhere, because remember, this is easy, this is quick, this is a lazy addition. And I also added some pepper on top as well for that extra. 12 minutes later, here we are, some delicious peppers. I added the cheese and the coriander and the lid on top. I hope you found some healthy eating recipe inspiration. Thanks for watching.